know what I realized? That
Finn, she's taking off.
Bye-bye, Blake.
She's like this. How are ya?
Oh my gosh, that is funny. He does.
Right?
So cute.
It's like he thinks he's Superman.
You stooping
He's
it,
like
buddy?
gonna take it off. He's gonna take
Doing
off.
it just for you.
You stooping?
Well,
Yeah,
say
sure.
Your eyes are burning because of your stink.
My eyes are burning because I'm hiking and my allergies are killing me. I was on the trail halfway through. Like this.
Oh, good throw, good throw.
That's not a good sign.
Where's Blake?
I think I had pollen on my shirt, so I'm gonna go take a shower.
Nice toss.
He like swoops. Good, you go.
Do you think you're Superman?
She's getting away from you, buddy. This is how life's gonna be.
Start to not pay attention to her, then she'll start to pay attention to you.
That's the way it works. Just ask your daddy.